So everybody sit down, take your seat. So in the previous classes, we have discussed about the practical geometry, how to construct the angle, how an angle is bisected with pencil compass. Now today we are going to start your next chapter, that is under your half yearly examination, that means simple equation. It is in NCERT chapter number 4 that I have written a simple equation, but it is also, this chapter is also in the R.S. Agarwal, they have written simple equation in one variable. Simple equation in one variable. So, why this topic arise in the mathematician mind? To find out a particular value. To find out a particular value. Just like compare between two processes. In arithmetic process and algebraic process. Suppose up to standard 5 you have learned what should be added to 5. What should be added to 5 to get 9? So what did you do?
9 minus 5.
Subtract. You have subtracted 5 from the 9. So 9 minus 5. Then you will get the result 4. But when you will apply this simple equation under this chapter, then you will have to express an equation. This problem will express in an equation. So how we will construct the equation? So there have nothing, means let the number is x. So in algebraic progression, when you will find out the result according to the simple equation, so at first you will write let the number is x. So what is the problem? What should be added to 5 to get 9? What should be added to 5 to get 9? That means 5 plus x. You have already let that the number is x. So 5 plus x equal to 9. So how will you calculate? That is another topic. How to find out the value of x? That is two process. Number 1 eliminating, number 2 transposing. We generally use the transposing method. If you find out the value of x, so x will remain to the left side. X will remain to the left side. Or though it is an equation, they have used equal sign. So at first you should write or. Okay, or arrow sign. Or which value you have to find out? X. So x remains to the left side. Okay. Now equal to 9 is to the right side. Now 5 will be transposed. 5 will be transposed to the right side also. So minus 5 get 4. Okay. There was also 4. The result was there is also 4. But two methods are different. Up to standard 4-5, you have applied this process. What should be added to something to get a? What should be something? What should be subtract from a to get a? So up to standard 5, you have applied this process. But in standard 7, you also applying this method. You also applying that method, the simple equation, and after the solution of the equation, you will also get the same result. Is it difference? But the process are different. Okay? So I am giving another example. I have just comparison between two methods in arithmetically and equationing. Okay? Suppose if I will give the problem. What should be subtract? What should be subtract? I am writing in short. What should be subtract from 15? What should be subtract from 15 to get 10? What should be subtract from 15? Then you will get 10. So automatically, according to standard 5, up to standard 5, according to arithmetic progression, you have already done. What will be the number?
25.
What will be the number?
5.
5. But if you find out the result by applying the simple equation, let the number is x. So what is the question? What should be subtracted from 15 to get 10? What should be subtracted from 15 to get 10? So what should be subtracted? X. So 15 minus x equal to 10. Or look very carefully. According to the integer chapter, what is the sign of 15? What is the sign of 15? Plus. What is the sign of x? Minus. What is the sign of 10? Plus. Always remain the sign in an integer to the before of the number. Okay. So when you will transpose or eliminate, you will automatically get the result. Okay. Now, what I have said in the during the solution of previous transposing. So which will transport to the right side? Which will transport to the right side? 15. 15 not. Plus 15. Okay. So in the left side remain minus x. And plus 15 will transpose to the right side. 10 minus 15. Like 10 minus 15. You have done the integers. You have a clear idea about the sign or symbol. So it is not abstract thinking. You have already done. Then the result will be minus or plus according to the integers. So or minus x equal to 10 minus 15. What will be the answer? Minus 5. Why? Go to the integer chapter. If two integers contain, it is an integer, plus 10, it is an integer, minus 15. So two integers contain different sign at the time of their addition. The bigger number contain which sign? Minus. So minus between the number will be subtract. So 15 minus 10 equal to 5. You think that is applied in your daily life? Suppose you have 10 rupees but you have to purchase Rs 15 rupees, so 5 rupees will remain extra that should be paid to the later. So it is loss. That means negative. So you have to pay the shopkeeper to the 5 rupees at later. Now both side x minus. Both side minus. That means compare both side minus or x equal to 5. Okay. You have gotten the number also 5 and it is simple equation or equation in one variable by applying equation 5 simple equation. Also, so this is the main objectives of the chapter. Okay. Now go to the I am giving two problems or three problems. You will solve at your home. Okay. So what should be added to 7? What should be added to 7 to get 18? Okay. I am not telling the what problem. Okay. What should be added to 7 to get 70? So this is one problem. Number 2 problem. What should be multiplied? To the 4 to get 28. Okay? I have shown the examples plus and minus, but I have given multiply. So let the number will be x. So 4 into x, that means 4x. 4x equal to 28. X equal to 28 by 4. Okay? Now solve one by one.